and listening. My sincere greetings and congratulations for today's event. My name is Konora Chakraborty. I read in class 3. That's what I am going to talk about today at school. The name of our school is Irvaka Model School. It is situated in the district of Tangail. The 15 rooms in our school. We have 700 students and 20 teachers in our school. Our headmaster is MA. Other teachers are also well qualified. Our school is a famous school for its discipline and good results. The students of our school are polite. We are proud of our school. Adab.